Hundreds of malls have closed over the last several years because people's shopping habits have changed.
Americans love to buy, but getting shoppers into traditional malls and stores is becoming a hard sell. Shopping centers turning into ghost towns as consumers shift to online shopping.
What's going on here? What do we got? Skeptic followers? Who's that? Dropshipping dead? Why am I not making any sales? Is e-com still alive? Can I still make money with dropshipping? Guess we're gonna have to make some phone calls, see what's going on. Yo.
What's up, Tanner?
I heard e-com's dying, bro.
Dad, sell the Lambo. An order.
Yo, you hear the news, bro?
What's up?
E-com is dying. People are saying it's dead. You can't make money with it anymore. What are we gonna do?
What the? What kind of suit wearing, retail pushing, crypto buying, MLM messaging, newspaper ad pushing mother have you been listening to?
People in my DMs. People are texting me. People are commenting on my videos telling me.
Fake news.
Fake news.
It's fake news. Adapting in the unlike these people in the fucking retail, the newspaper, we're actually adapting in the because we're adaptable, mother. Planes.
Thaddeus, I got bad news. The people are saying that e-commerce is dying.
Ooh, well, you know what? I agree. I actually decided to drop all my business stuff. I
Same
stopped
here.
dropshipping, I stopped e-commerce, I stopped software.
Yup.
And yeah, I'm living on a train now.
Sebastian Gheorghiu, have you heard the news?
What, you're pregnant?
Almost. I'm not pregnant yet. I'm working on it, but I'm getting comments. I'm getting DMs. People are telling me e-com's dying. They're not getting any sales. What are you gonna do?
Alright, here's the thing, folks. E-com's not dying. I would just say that you're lazy. E-com's not dying for me. Right? I'm okay. I don't know about you guys, but I'm chilling. I just got a house. I'm about to get a Lambo here pretty soon.
Oh! And I needed one more person's opinion on this situation. So I just finished up a 45-minute drive. So let's see what she has to say. Grandma.
Yes.
I have a question.
Okay.
Have you heard malls are shutting down?
No, I
You know,
have not
store-
heard. I have not heard the malls are shutting down.
Stores are starting to close down. But also people are saying that e-commerce is dying. What do you think about that?
E-commerce.
Yeah. Selling stuff online.
Oh, that's not closing down. That's getting bigger.
That's what I said. Grandma knows what it means, and she knows the truth.
Yes, that's part of the truth.
Alright guys, don't take those clips too seriously. I was just having some fun there with my friends and even my grandma there towards the end. But you know, it's just a question that everybody saw in the video we get a lot. Well, maybe not my grandma, but everybody else. And it's just such a unreasonable question to ask because obviously it's not dead. You see retail stores are closing because e-commerce is booming. Amazon, eBay, all these big platforms, and even just Shopify, their own platform has increased revenue by like 60% in 2018 compared to 2017. So a lot of big changes are happening. A lot of people are building their own stores, online stores, and it's crushing retailers. So for those of you that have made it all the way to the end, I have this free training for you. Maybe you used to think e-commerce was dead. I want to show you that it's possible. I want to show you that you can actually create an online store and change your life by putting in time, effort, and money. Of course, any business, well, 99% of businesses are going to take some kind of capital investment. But if you check the top link in the description, there'll be free training, no strings attached. You get sent the videos, one every day for 5 days, and it's completely free. So hopefully you get access to that, and hopefully you're enjoying these next gen ecom mini episodes. I had this little idea for a skit here, so if you enjoyed it, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. It took a little while to make, but if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.